something. The number one I think is the defender. Something like they always protect their opinion. So their thinking is the number one, not other thinking, something like it. The idea is number one.
I know that as you, as a director, you've been focusing a lot about customer experience. Like when you are working together and you are focusing about developing customer experience. So I would like to ask you, as a director, how do you really focus on developing a great customer experience for your clients?
ITM is working with about 100 customers for the local and the affiliate of the global group all over the world. There's the different culture in the multinational working environment to bring up a really true challenge about the customer experience deeply. In general, the customer just want the best services in the very short time. For that, we have to put ourselves in their shoes to design the suitable and the specified solution which it adapt the fast changing of the technology. Daily, monthly, we have to monitoring the feedback of the customer, the results of the services. By tracking the internal IT system, we have the ticket system to tracking on the incident we support to the customer. We hold the survey of the satisfaction of the customer yearly. Besides that, we love to receive the feedback of the customer to analyze, to improve. For that, we can improve the service better for day by day. So the feedback of the customer is the key for us to improve.
All right. That's a really very exciting point, and that's really important to do. I also think that every industry leader should be focusing with a customer experience, and you have shared some really good aspects about survey, continuous improvement, and feedback mechanism. It's a little bit like a lean developments. Lean is about build, feedback, and optimize and improve. So that's that cycle, and that's brought you up on this one too. That's outstanding.